everybody, Hillary here. Have you ever seen the roots of a plant? Maybe you have and you didn't even realize it. Like these. Do you know what these are? That's right, they are radishes. And this red part that we eat, that is the root of a plant. So this is gonna grow down into the soil, it's gonna hold our plant in place, and it's gonna absorb all the nutrients and water from the soil. Can you think of any other vegetables that are roots? Here's a hint. Think about ones that look similar to a radish.
Maybe you thought of carrots, or beets, or turnips, or celery root. Hey, that one has root in the name. In fact, all of these fall under a category of vegetables that we call root vegetables.
You may have also thought potatoes, and you're on the right track. Like the roots of a plant, a potato grows underground, but technically a potato is something called a tuber. A tuber is a thickened part of a stem that grows underground. So the next time someone tells you a potato is a root vegetable, you could tell them it's actually a tuber vegetable. I bet I can think of another time that you've seen the roots of plants.
Have you ever been walking down the sidewalk and come across something like this? Or this? Those are the roots of those trees. When they don't have enough space to properly spread, they sometimes come up through the sidewalk or bunch up in their bed.
Clearly, not all roots are the same. They can largely be divided into two categories, taproots and fibrous roots. Taproots grow down into the ground, like carrots, radishes, and our root vegetables. Fibrous roots spread out underground, like tree roots or these plant roots. While we might notice a stem of a plant growing taller, or new leaves unfurling, or new flowers when they bloom, we don't usually get to see the roots of a plant growing. Carrots and radishes at the store have already been picked, so they're not growing anymore. And when you walk down the street, the roots of trees, while they're alive and growing, it's happening so slowly we can't see it with the human eye. So today, I'm going to show you an activity where we're going to set up planters that allow us to see the roots as they grow. We're going to see if you can tell the difference between taproots and fibrous roots. Come on!
To do this activity, you will need a clear container, paper towels, water, and some seeds. I'm using two types of seeds, bean and carrot, to demonstrate the difference between taproot and fibrous roots. First, wet a paper towel and wring out the excess water. You're going to use this to line the inside of your jar. I found it helpful to fold mine and measure it outside of my container before trying to fit it in. Then, place your seeds between the wall of the jar and the wet paper towel. Try to put them about an inch from the top of the jar, but it's okay if they go a little bit deeper. I put beans on one side and carrot seeds on the other. If you're having trouble picking up small seeds, you can use a toothpick. Simply wet the tip of the toothpick and use it to gently pick up and place your seeds. Leave your jar by a sunny window, and over the next few days, make sure the paper towel stays moist but not soaked. Here's a root viewer jar I made about a week ago. Notice how some of the roots spread out, but some are just one long root. Can you tell which ones are fibrous and which ones are taproots?
Give this activity a try at home. If you're looking for seeds to experiment with, check out my video where I show you where to find things to grow in your home. Until next time, bye!